Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Angular momentum and torque can be tricky when a pulley rotates. Let's solve this physics problem quickly by looking at the forces and rotation direction. First, identify that the string pulls down on the pulley, creating a counterclockwise torque. Since the pulley rotates clockwise, this torque acts against the motion and increases as the bucket accelerates. Next, consider how this opposing torque affects the rotation speed. Because the torque is directed opposite to the initial clockwise spin, the pulley must slow down, which directly impacts the momentum. As angular velocity decreases over time, the angular momentum magnitude L also decreases. This confirms torque increases while momentum decreases. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on signs, trust the given information, and check your steps.